So this is IIT JAM question. In the following Latimer diagram, the species that undergo disproportionation reaction is, and this is the Latimer diagram given to us. So first, what is disproportionation reaction? Disproportionation reaction is when a chemical species undergoes both reduction and oxidation. So how we can find our answer from this Latimer diagram? So for this, look at the potentials given to you. These are the standard potential values, and if you have a higher positive value on the right side of the chemical species, then it undergoes disproportionation reaction. Like for this, look at this value and this value. This value is smaller than this value on the left side, and therefore this will not undergo disproportionation reaction. Now look at this chemical species and look at the standard potential on the right side. It is 0.93 and on the left side it is 0.27. So because the value on the right side is greater than the value on the left side, this species MnO4 minus, this will undergo disproportionation reaction. Okay, so this is our answer, but let's look at rest of them as well. Now look at the MnO2 right side, we have 0.15, on the left side we have 0.93. For disproportionation, right side value should be greater than the left side, which is not the case here. Therefore, MnO2 will not undergo disproportionation reaction. Now for Mn2O3, now look at the value on the right side, on the left side. This value is negative, so this is indeed not greater than this value. Therefore, MnO2O3 will also not undergo disproportionation reaction. Now for MnOH twice, value on the right side is minus 1.56, on the left side we have minus 0.25. We are here to compare the positive reduction potential values, and these are values in the negative, and we cannot compare them, and this does not undergo disproportionation reaction values. So if you are given a Latimer diagram and you are asked which of the following species will undergo disproportionation reaction, compare the positive potential values on the right side and the left side. If positive value on the right side is greater than the positive value on the left side, the species which is between these potential undergoes disproportionation reaction, which means it will undergo both reduction and oxidation. It also means that this oxidation state in which this is not stable.